Now we'll go for the classification of fire. How we have classified the fire as per Indian standard. The classification, we have classified the fire in 4 classes. Class A, wood, paper, cloth, trash, plastic, solid that are not metals, solids that are not metals. This is class A. Class B, the flammable liquid, gasoline, oil, grease, acetone, etc. Class C, gas fire like LPG, hydrogen or any other gas. Class D, metals, that is potassium, sodium, aluminum, magnesium, requires metallic foam and other special extinguishing agents. These are the 4 classes we have classified. Fire extinguishment. These classes of fire also to be extinguished by 4 methods. You see, for class A, we are using water, plain water, foam and dry powder. Why it is dry powder? Dry powder, nowadays, some dry powder is invented which can extinguish all types of fire, A, B, C type fire. That is named as ABC dry powder. That's why dry powder is dry chemical powder. Now the class B, oil. This fire to be extinguished by foam, water mist technology, dry powder and CO2. What is water mist technology? The use of water in the form of fine spray. Use of water in the form of fine spray, like your room freshener, etc., etc. And oil fire can be used, can be extinguished with the help of water mist technology by using a special type of equipment. Class C, gas fire can be extinguished by water mist technology, CO2, dry powder, dry chemical powder. Now, you see, in class A, class B, class C, in all the cases, I already informed you that dry chemical powder can be extinguished. So, we are using ABC dry powder, that is monoammonium phosphate. We are using monoammonium phosphate that is named as ABC dry powder, which can be used for class A, class B and class C fire. And now the class D metal fire, that is special powders may be used for extinguishing class D fire, metal. The methods of extinguishment. The extinguishing procedures are also can be categorized by 4 methods. One is starvation. What is starvation? Cutting of fuel supply. If I can cut up the supply of fuel, that is the combustible material, then fire may be extinguished. That is named as starvation, which is really practically impracticable in case of a real fire. In case of a real fire, what we do, for starvation purpose, to cut the fuel supply, we try to put water on the material which is not involved in fire, so that fire cannot spread to that side. Smothering. What is smothering? Means blanketing. reducing the percentage of oxygen below 15%. Smothering can be done by using foam. Smothering means the blanketing effect. You see, if anybody catches fire, human beings, by smothering method, we can extinguish the fire, human body fire. Means the covering a blanket, covering a bed cot, bed sheet, etc. Now the cooling how? The removing heat. You see, whenever fire occurs, heat produced. Why? For fire is an exothermic reaction, I already explained. In that cases, cooling is a removing heat. If I can remove the heat from the fire, fire may be reduced and extinguishment may come. And that's why we are using the cooling removing heat. And number 4 is a chemical flame inhibition. That is a breaking combustion reaction. Breaking combustion, you see, whenever fire occurs, due to the fire tetrahedron, there's a chemical chain reaction occurs. In that case, if we put water, if we put some extinguishing media for extinguishment, then chain reaction may break, and after breaking the combustion reaction, the chain reaction may stop.